In this video, I want to talk about how you can find your cash ISA trading 212 account number. Now this is pretty simple, guys. You want to come up here and make sure that you choose the correct one. So make sure you choose your cash ISA one. Make sure you have set up your account completely and then simply hit over here. Inside of there, you want to look for settings. And once you've clicked on settings, you want to head over to my account, go to account details. Now, I don't really want to show you mine in there, but go in there and you can find your account number. Now, if you want to find all the bank details, what you need to do is just come back here and you want to deposit some money. So either click on the big plus, you will have that once you've set up your account to deposit, or you can just go in here and go to the add funds one. Inside of there, choose bank transfer, and in there you will be able to find the sort code, and you'll also be able to find the number from in there. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.